You ever have the issue of cooking with one hand, using a spatula, and then you need to season your food, and you got one of them manual grinders, and you're trying to do it all at once? Well, I got gifted a automatic grinding set to do a little box opening and demonstration, and let you know what I think about it. So we're gonna get it opened up and find out how well it works. Stick around. Okay, it comes with your grinders, of course, and your little base. You set those in there like that. Comes with a cleaning brush, USB-A to USB-C charging cord. You will need a power block to plug into the wall, and a user manual. You have your little button right here, and what's cool about it is you can just press that, and it will tell you how much power you have in your battery. Push it again. The little light comes on the bottom, and it's grinding away, as you can see. We're going to try it out here in just a moment. I just want to show you that. On the top side here, you have your USB-C port where you can charge it. Then down here on the bottom, you have your settings for fine to coarse. You just turn this like that, wherever you want it. Got a little arrow. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but there is a little arrow right there that points down to these. I personally like stuff on the fine mode, so we're going to try it on the fine side. It has a little lock icon, lock and unlock, and the arrow right here, you just turn that to unlock, and you can take that off and put your salt or pepper, whatever you're going to put in here, inside the canister. And just put it back on there, lock it down, you're in business. Okay, we're going to try it out in a moment, but right now we need to fill these up. Take that lid off, get your salt or pepper, whichever one you're going to do. Fill that bad boy up. Make a mess like I'm doing. Here we go. Get this line back up. There's that one. Yeah, let's see how big of a mess we can make now. Ah, you know I couldn't pour it out without dropping some, rolling down on the floor. That's good enough, I think. That'll get the job done. For demonstration purposes only anyway. Get that line back up, and we're good to go. Move my mess out of the way. We'll have to vacuum now. That's all right. There we go. Okay, what did I put the salt on? I'm going to put that salt on fine. I think we already got the pepper on fine. Yep, got the pepper on fine. Let's see what it does. Well, that is fine. Not very loud. Does a pretty good job. It's a whole lot better than trying to do it like this, right? So say you're cooking or something over here, you can sit there and spice it up. Anyway, you can see how that works. Let's see how well the salt works. Oh yeah, check that out. Well, there you go. It works just like it's supposed to. Oh, I got that cleaning brush. You can take that cleaning brush and clean that out right there. And once you put it back on there, you don't make a mess. I'm good about doing that. There we go. Now, as you can see, it worked like a charm. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, if y'all want to check these out, I'll put a link down in the description where you can go read more about them and place your order for yourself or for somebody else. Also, I got a playlist right here with some more cool kitchen gadgets. Jump on over there. You might find something that you would be interested in. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.